Hey, this is crazy. Me and one of the managers were looking at these things up in the sky moving really, really slow, trying to figure if they're like parachuters, but it doesn't even look like the shape of their thing. But the weird thing is they are not showing up on the camera at all, but you can see them clearly as day. There's three over here. This is so weird. Oh, there they are. Okay. And now they don't look big to y'all, but they're really big. They're definitely not birds, and they're not airplanes, and they're going really, really slow. The wind speed up there's got to be faster than that for like if it was parachutes. Plus, they're not coming down. They're going straight across that way. I hope they ain't some kind of bombs, some nuclear stuff from one of these countries that don't like us. Okay, see those three? Now they're moving really, really slow. There's no lights on them. There's the other three. Oh, there's the other three again. This is really strange. I mean, maybe it is the military. Maybe it's some kind of new parachute. But like I said, they're not coming down. They're just gliding across the sky at the same altitude. Oh, there we go. At the same altitude. Maybe one's descending. I'm not sure. I don't think so. It looks like they're picking up speed. And these three are still going slow. And I'm surrounded by military bases. Right that way is the ocean. Like, I don't know, if you walk through all them woods a tenth of a mile away. And then we got base over here, base over here, base over here, jet base over here. And then we got Norfolk Naval Amphib Base, largest amphib base on the East Coast. And we got Little Creek Amphib Base, Norfolk Naval Base. And then Little Creek Amphib Base. And we got, oh my gosh, we got so many Army bases and Navy bases and jet bases, and they're just going so slow. I don't know what they are. Oh, there's something, and I know y'all can't see this on camera. Something moving super, super fast, faster than a plane, the opposite direction, way up in the sky. Those real tiny compared to the rest. Moving a little too fast for a plane, a regular plane. And the other three are over there, still moving slow and staying together. Their formation, they're a little further apart though. And these three, they're turning. Follow them. Oh, maybe it is some men in parachutes. They got to be freezing though, because I'm freezing down here, and I know the air is way colder up there. Oh, sorry. Did I lose them? There they are. I should have done some still shots. And the other ones are probably a little too hard for you. No, you can see them still. Where's the first one? I only see two of them. I guess the other one's below the building line. Those three are still in formation. See, they don't look like, doesn't look like they're being controlled by the wind, but maybe they are. I don't know. whatever it is, it's either our military doing some serious practice